Stop. Take a moment. Can you hear the sound? The sound of your heart beating? Life starts with a heartbeat and ends when it stops. So, do you really love your heart?
Yes, on the occasion of World Heart Day, we would say that love your heart. Why is World Heart Day celebrated? In India, cardiovascular diseases affect at least 52% of population. It is the leading cause of death in India. World Heart Day is celebrated globally to raise awareness and reduce the global burden of cardiovascular diseases. What are heart diseases? Cardiovascular disease generally refers to conditions that involve narrowed or blocked blood vessels that can lead to heart attack, chest pain, or stroke. What are the four most common cardiovascular diseases? Coronary artery diseases, it means narrowing of the arteries, heart attack, abnormal heart rhythms, or arrhythmias, heart failure. What are the risk factors that affect the heart diseases? First one is age, then gender, then family history, smoking, poor diet, physical inactivity, high blood pressure, high cholesterol level, and diabetes. What preventive measures should be taken to reduce heart diseases? Heart diseases can be prevented by simple lifestyle changes, controlling high blood pressure, cholesterol and diabetes, exercising at least 30 minutes a day on most days, decreasing salt and saturated fat intake, reducing and managing stress, quit smoking, and maintaining healthy weight. How to screen yourself for a heart disease? Do not ignore if you have any of the following symptoms: chest discomfort, nausea, indigestion, heartburn, or stomach pain, pain that spread to the arm, dizziness or light-headedness, throat or jaw pain, easy exhaustion. How is the heart disease diagnosed? Apart from regular history, checking your blood pressure and blood test, following investigations can confirm the diagnosis of heart disease. Electrocardiogram, that is ECG, Holter monitoring, echocardiogram, stress test, cardiac catheterization, and cardiac CT scan and MRI. What are the complications of heart diseases? Heart failure, heart attack, aneurysm, stroke, sudden cardiac arrest, and peripheral artery disease. These are the different complications of heart diseases. What is the recommended healthy heart diet? A variety of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, low fat dairy products, skinless poultry and fish, nuts and legumes, and last but not the least, non-tropical vegetable oils, which can help to give you a healthy heart. Which food items should be avoided or restricted from diet? The following food which mostly we like, that are the nothing but the junk food that we should avoid to healthy heart: saturated fat, trans fat, sodium, red meat, sweets, sugar sweets. So here is your heart speaking. I would really like to tell you something. I want you to know that I am by your side. Regardless of what task you choose to take in your stride: hard work, diet, exercise, and game. I work hard to beat over 1 lakh times a day. I continue to work even while you rest. When you are happy, sad, or extreme stressed. For all that I do, I have one request for you. Just take care of my health a little bit too. Check out my good health today. Wishing you a very happy World Heart Day.